Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to cook green bean casserole. The first recipe I'm going to show is how to make green bean casserole from scratch.
And then we'll add some oil to a pot or a wok in this case because they have a larger surface so that it's easier for the camera in this time. Then we'll add the onions and saute them around medium-high heat until they are soft. And after the onions is soft, we can start adding the mushroom into the pot. Remember to add a little bit of salt for seasoning. And just stir fry the onions and the mushroom until the mushroom change colors.